With just a few clicks, you can create stunning videos from text or images, perfect for social media, ads, or educational content, all with Freepik's AI Video Generator. Hello everyone, I'm Thomas, and today we're exploring Freepik's AI Video Generator, a powerful tool included in their premium subscription plans that lets you transform text scripts or static images into dynamic, high-quality videos. Whether you're a marketer, content creator, or educator, this tool helps you produce professional videos quickly and easily. What is Freepik AI Video Generator? Freepik AI Video Generator is an AI-powered video creation platform that lets you generate videos in two main ways: text to video. Enter your script, and the AI creates visuals, animations, and transitions that match your narrative. Image to video. Upload images and transform them into engaging videos with AI-driven motion, effects, and transitions. It's designed for users who want to produce marketing videos, social media content, explainer videos, or ads without needing technical skills. Price. The AI Video Generator is available only with Freepik's premium subscription plans, starting at around $6 to $39 per month, depending on the tier and billing cycle. Plans include access to video credits, stock media libraries, design tools, and other AI generators. There is no free video generation option, but Freepik offers a free plan with limited downloads and AI image generation credits. Pricing is competitive compared to other AI video tools, making it a cost-effective option for creators who want an all-in-one content platform. That wraps up our review of Freepik's AI Video Generator. If you have any questions or want a detailed walkthrough of specific features, drop your question in the comments. I'll make a video just for that. Don't forget to subscribe for more AI tool reviews. Thanks for watching.